Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set the power on password on your HUAWEI MateBook D16. Just go into BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it on HUAWEI MateBook D16, and once that's done, just go down to the post password and now click on enter. Then you can enter the new password. So this password will be used whenever you turn on your laptop. You can also set up the administrator password instead, or set up both. So the administrator password will be asked to open BIOS, and the post password will be asked every time you you turn on the laptop. So I'm gonna set it up. Then click on enter and type it in again to confirm. Then click on enter. Now the password was set successfully. You can also click on enter, and you can also either disable or change the password. So in order to do it, first you need to enter the old password. Then if you put something in these two fields, then it will set it as a password, but if you leave these two fields blank, then it'll delete the password. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.